Good morning everyone, Mr. Fleming here, just to introduce today's maths lesson. The lesson is going to be looking at a sort of new topic, and we'll be doing more of this next week. We are going to be starting multiplication, and with that today's sort of learning intention is looking at making equal groups, because when we multiply we are looking at groups of, and they have to be equal, so then it can help us count in steps of 2, 3, 5, 10, and obviously as you make your way up the school you'll start to learn your 4 times table, your 6 times tables, etc, etc. So to get us warmed up for today's lesson, let's have a look at counting in 2s, try 4s and try 3s.